Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. Well, I did a video on these Central Pneumatic tools and why you should go grab them while you can. And I got in the midst of that this 3-inch polisher here, Central Pneumatic 3-inch polisher. And when I opened it up, I was pleasantly surprised. Now I've gone through and I actually oiled these, so you might see some oil, and I'm going to be kind of careful that I don't get them on these here. But like I said, I was kind of pleasantly surprised. If you look at the box, you can see that it comes with a pad. And the reason I actually went to Harbor Freight was to buy a little grinder, but they didn't have that, so that's in the story. But beyond the one pad, it's got 3 different pads. It's got like a little wool one, I don't know if it's real or not, and then a couple of the foam ones, and which will go right on to this right here. It's got a little I don't know what you call it, Velcro, exactly what you call it, Velcro type pad that puts these off and on. But I also noticed that with this little pad that they provide here, it's fairly hard. But I might be able to find some other ones, I don't know. But I should be able to put some sandpaper on there and use it to do a little bit of grinding if I need to. So we'll see later on down the road how much I use that. It does come with a little tool here that you gotta hold on there to pull this off and on. It's not super hard. Comes with the book. You need to oil it, all that kind of stuff. Also, either in line of your tool or somewhere on this tool, it takes 90 psi. So you need some sort of regulator to neck it down so that you're not dumping your entire air compressor into this, or it will blow out the seals. The reason I know that is because I've done it before with the Harbor Freight tool, and I wish I would have. I know these things, but they're those things that you do and you just don't think about until it's too late. But regardless, there you go. Now you know. Make sure you get one of those. Also, on the back, there's a little knob for high and low. I don't know how great that's going to be, but we'll see. They don't push a lot. I gotta say, all these tools seem to be low on power. You're gonna see that. They're cheap tools. They're $30-something tools. Yet again, price will be somewhere in the screen here. But I did notice, I do think that 90 psi, and you need to do your own research because I haven't even looked in the directions yet, but that 90 psi is while you're hitting the trigger, not into it, I don't think so. But you might want to check that to make sure. I could be very wrong on that, but either way, I think for small buffing jobs, that's why I grabbed this. Small buffing jobs and maybe some small grinding jobs, it'll do what I need it to do. At the very least, all I have is big giant polishers and things. One of them is probably older than I am, and it's heavy as all get out, so having a little detail polisher will come in handy. Well, hopefully you got something out of that. Go check out my Harbor Freight playlist. That's the best way to watch a lot of these videos if you want to look at some of the other tools I got from Harbor Freight. I actually have a lot of Harbor Freight stuff in that playlist, so go check it out if you're a fan of Harbor Freight, or if you're not. And you'll be able to see what I think of different tools, good, bad, and otherwise. So as far as these tools, I do think that they're all pretty good for the money. Therein lies the for the money. That's where it is. Well, there you go. Now you know. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.